Absolutely. Consent is mandatory.
Paradox, where's the best place for a guy to look for a school bus? Like online or?
Yeah, government auctions.
Government auctions at certain sites?
Places that sell school buses are also a really good place to look.
And school districts directly, but I don't know that they're going to be doing too much of that anymore.
Places that sell new buses frequently will have used buses. If the
Okay, can you calm down, please?
I'm John holding the bus engine's display. So, if you have a bus, you can look the express level.
Is it on?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
There's a reason I carry a Motorola phone. I can very quickly turn the camera on in like 2 seconds. There's like a mode. I go like this with my phone, like swivel, and it turns the camera on. But that's only for still photos, and then I just have to press a button for it to.
There's my van coming up, James. That white one with the copper stripes on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a really nice looking van.
Man, I love it. But I'm gonna outgrow it. I'm gonna be in a bus someday.
Our neighbors have one of those. Welcome home to you. Welcome home.
Is there a back way into the woods, or is there only one trail?
One way. Oh, it's a meadow. Yes, we don't have to walk through Mud's camp. No.
Okay. Look, did you see that one when it came in?
I know you excited, but
Hello.
no, not too bad. Everybody's being nice.
Oh, that guy's got one wheel up in the air. To attain parking. Well, we don't really want to be parked around. So what are you gonna do? We're gonna just drop the food off and drive away?
No, I'm gonna park my car up there.
No, I don't want to be sorry. Look, welcome home. Is it my dad?
We should call ourselves Exodus Camp
I'll find a spot.
or Camp Exile. Should we name it that? Paradox Camp Exile. It's like a bad joke, you know.
You see, you didn't show a weapon last night.
No, I didn't. No, I never visually presented one. I allured that I may have one. I never said that I have one.
Welcome home.
Hey, welcome home.
Listen, we're already here.
And
then you've been here. You didn't go nowhere.
We've been here since the 22nd.
They're in reverse. They're trying to park right here.
They're parked there. They're trying to code things. So try to code you through.
Yeah, but there's so many people parked in the no parking. What can you do? Except pull the no parking sign out? You see? You probably could. This was the guy that was super fucking aggro with me.
Which one?
The one greeting that car right there with the walking stick. He was about to bust me over the head with it. He was the guy that I talked to when I first came up that went and got Paradox to tell not Paradox, I'm sorry, Paradox, Useless, to tell him.
I think it's here.
Recording.
They're talking about us behind us. We have people talking about us behind us.
You just called it
Like,
I'm saying, roll out the window. We're gonna get attacked.
roll up your window, girl.
Don't step in front of my vehicle.
Loving you.
That's a real fucking dumb idea.
Loving you, family.
All right.
We're delivering food.
Hey, don't do it, dude.
We're delivering food from Main Circle.
He's not welcome here.
Everyone with a belly button, brother.
They just tried attacking our vehicle.
Yes, they did. They tried throwing themselves in front of it.
Hey, you're on camera. You can't do that. You can't do that.
We're delivering food from Main Circle. That's a
cop?
Are they really?
You just crushed my car! Call 911. QFX 262.
Check it out. I got one.
Are you okay, kid?
Yeah, can we get up a little further?
Freak it out, bro.
Let me see if I got a 911 signal on that one.
Yeah, oh, absolutely.
Yeah, let him know.
Get out.
How?
Get out.
I locked the doors.
Unlock the door.
Go.
There you go. See ya.
Cool, dude.
Hey, family! That truck just ran my children. That white truck just ran my children. My kids are injured. I need 911. They just intentionally ran my car with my children. Help! Shanta Sheena! They intentionally ran my truck! My children are injured! Shanta Sheena! Call 911! Call 911!
Service, man. We're trying to deliver food for Circle.
Call 911!
Main Circle.
Hey, you can't tell me what to do. This is a national forest. They just ran my car. My children are injured.
They just attacked.
They rammed our car with our children. It's all on camera. They rammed our car with our children. They rammed our car with our children. They rammed our car. Our children are injured. Yes, they rammed us with a pickup truck. They rammed us with a pickup truck. Our children are injured. They ran me up. They hit my children. They were the pickup truck. They hit my children with a pickup truck.
White truck with a brush guard, Colorado plates. Sorry, I grabbed your camera. I was trying to get the plate.
No, in my face, dude. I'm going numb.
Yeah, let me out. I'm walking.
No, I need you have to stay with me.
Okay.
You have to stay with me.
I got you.
Hey, family, Shanta Sheena! Hey, get your gun out. Hey, you have it in your hand. That guy tried to kill me before.
I'm ready.
They tried to kill my kids. Ew. They rammed into my fucking car.
A white truck with a
pickup truck. They tried to kill my kids. They rammed into us. We have it all on camera. They tried to kill our children. They rammed into us with a truck. My children are injured. We need 911.
White
Colorado plates.
Brush guard.
262. Brush guard. Hey, stay away! Stay away from me! They tried to kill my children! Stay away from me! Stay the fuck away from me! They tried to kill us! They tried to ram us off the mountain with a white pickup truck.
They did!
262! They tried to ram us. They didn't know that we had them on camera. We have it on camera.
I know you. Hey,
we have it on camera. They're trying to kill us. They tried to murder us. We have it on camera. It's not funny. Look at my car. I can't. They're trying to kill us. They are trying to kill us. They tried to ram us off the mountain. They tried to ram us off the mountain.
They tried to push us off.
Look at him. He's trying to get more people. Get him out of the road so I can get my family to an ambulance. My children are injured. They're behind us. Please. Please. They're injured.
Laying in the road.
They tried to kill us. They tried to ram us off the fucking mountain. 262 Colorado tags. Brush guard. Decals on the fucking side. They rammed us. It's on camera. They tried to push us off a cliff.
We need to get through.
They're trying to murder us. We're trying to get away. Let me through. Let me through. Let me through. Fucking let me through. They need to fucking let me through. Yes, but they need to fucking let me through. The guy in the road is the one organizing it. He has a hit on my head in the fucking gathering. He's a rapist. He's an admitted rapist.
I need a water break, Daddy.
No, you cannot get out of the car.
I need a water break. I'm going to die.
I'm going to calm. He's a legal observer. Let me through to calm. Joe, I'm gonna get killed. I'm gonna get killed.
Right here. You're not getting killed.
Joe, they're going.
Can you turn around right
No,
now?
I'm going to the ambulance. He's coming up right now. Those are some of them.
Trying to get the ambulance.
I'm going to the ambulance. You guys are interfering with the 911 call. This is now kidnapping. This is now kidnapping.
Get emergency services. The children are injured.
This is kidnapping.
Trying to get you to flip around right here.
No, this is kidnapping. You cannot block a public fucking road. This is kidnapping. This is interfering with the 911 call.
I'm going to die here.
It's on video.
It is
Yes.
on video.
He tried to fucking run us off a cliff.
No.
No.
He did?
No.
No, he didn't, brother.
No.
We have
There's no damage in the front of the car. You're fucking lying. Get out of the fucking way. You need to move that. I am going to the ambulance. I'm going to the ambulance.
Move.
I'm going to the ambulance.
Blow your horn. Just hold your horn.
I don't have a horn. I'm going to.
I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I'm not
blocking the road. Damn. Can you clean your windshield, throw?
What?
He said Tom's coming down.
No, we're going to Tom.
Ambulance, Tom.
Yeah, we're going to Tom.
Tom is coming.
Well, I don't care.
They've got vehicles on the
I don't care.
Okay, they got vehicles in the road. So turn around and let me out the other fucking way. This is fucking kidnapping. They
He's
fucked.
turning around.
Fucking insanity, man.
Everybody just told him to turn around. Now he's not. Now we're kidnapped.
Yes, they are kidnapping. They're interfering with the 911 call and kidnapping.
Now we're kidnapped.
You are kidnapping.
I can't tell
Kidnapping.
you what you're doing illegal, but this damn shit.
My children are fucking injured. You're keeping them from going to the fucking ambulance.
Please, I don't want to die.
So we have this truck blocking the road off behind us where we cannot get out. It's got a Washington plate, C64276T. Washington plate, black Toyota. It is just now moving that I've turned the camera around, but it's been there as long as this guy that I had up in the window.
Daniel,
right here,
can you get-
originally had a stick and dropped it. He pulled up in that and they were blocking the road up until now. It still appears like he's blocking the road. And now we have a crowd of people, including a person that looks like the guy that was driving that truck, approaching the vehicle from rear.
Please stop. I don't want to die.
You need to sit down.
Daddy, I don't want to die. I really think my life. I'm Oh no! Anybody get in the middle!
We have a
Purposely hit us. They tried to fucking run us off a cliff.
Please don't die. I'm straight down.
Hey, no cops in the church, you DA agent! Hey, I gotta roll my window back up, bro. For structural integrity, you just shut the vehicle off or something. My window's locked out. My window's locked out. My window's still locked out.
You're kidnapping me.
Turn around. You're gonna run into the cops on the way up, brother. Explain it to them. I talk to you guys all Go ahead.
Please stop it, you
We
dude!
are totally letting you. There's people right behind you.
Let's do this calm. Let's do this
Hey,
right.
no.
All right. Let's do
We
this
have just as
calm.
much a right as anyone else to go down this road. We're trying to deliver food for Main Circle.
I know you do.
We'll be here. They're already
But all of this is going on right now.
We're trying to deliver food for Main Circle.
We gotta calm the situation down.
We're not the ones
The cameras
instigating
are
it,
rolling the
brother.
whole time. It's real fucking stupid.
Then we need to take
Real
the
fucking
agitators,
stupid.
such as Useless, out of the fucking woods. I have material evidence that he is a
Just
Department of Homeland
stop.
Security.
That's retarded.
I have
That's fucking stop.
I'm telling you to calm the situation.
Around and go.
Fucking cops have some fucking honor. I can't turn around. My fucking car's fucking broken.
Because you just hit a fucking truck.
No.
Way up here.
He fucking tried to ram us off a mountain, and it's on fucking camera. Are you a fucking idiot? Look at the fucking dent in the fucking side of the car.
The side of the car, trying to push us off the road.
Get it, guys? You have to get in your
Hey boys,
seatbelts.
calm
Can you get in the
down.
car with my kids?
Huh?
Get in the car. With
Hey
me.
boys, calm down. I'm Daniel. You calm down, boys.
I can't turn around. Where am I gonna turn around at? Get the fuck away from my car. Get away from my car. You're not welcome to be by my car.
Remember?
I'd like to ask the kids what happened.
Do you remember? We're friends. It's okay.
We should have bought the fucking pepper spray, bro. I told her. We need